Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or should you guys welcome me back to YouTube. It's been such a long time. I missed you guys. I missed doing this, but I'm back. Today I am bringing to you this makeup look. I only used drugstore products, so it should be very affordable. It's also very easy to recreate, so stay tuned. First things first, always prime your eyelids. Very important to prime those eyelids, girl. I will go in and set it with the Rimmel pressed powder. Now you guys know that a lot of us like to do this step just because it helps with the blending of the eyeshadows. We either use a translucent powder or a pressed powder or even a bone toned eyeshadow. So right now I am going into my crease with NYC's bronzer. Then I will be picking up Wet n Wild's palette, the $4.99 palette. I will be taking 738 Comfort Zone. That's the name of the palette. And I will be focusing the crease color on my right side, on the outer corners of the eyes, making sure I blend everything in together. Once I have that color on the outer corners of the eyes, I will then be going into the eyelid color. It's the champagne on my left side, on the left side of the palette. And from that same palette, I will be picking up definer, and I'll just be focusing this on the very outer corners of the eyelids. To highlight the brow bone, I am taking a brow bone from the same palette, and yeah, just be highlighting my brow bones. Then I used NYX's liquid matte or matte liquid liner to align my eyes. As for foundation, I used the new not NYX's, Wet n Wild's foundation. It's the most recent one that came out, and you guys, I love this foundation. It's super high coverage. I like how it blends. I have no complaints. So far, I like it, and it's very affordable. So if you guys are looking for a nice foundation, I highly recommend this one. Keep in mind that what works for me might not work for everybody, so it's a trial and error thing. To highlight, I am using a Garnier's concealer, the one with the little metal roller ball. I will obviously be going in to set all of this in place, and for that I will be using Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. I also used NYX's Amber Blush for my cheeks, and I highlighted with Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter, which I am obsessed with. And mil disculpas that I'm not showing this because I was filming and I was very out of focus. So yeah, I just decided to leave it out because nobody wants to watch that mess. No girl, no. I moved on to my lower lash lid, and just buffed the crease color from that same palette. And then to define the lash line, I used definer from that same palette. I used French Fries, I believe, the jumbo pencil from NYX. I think that's what it's called, French Fries, if I'm not mistaken. And as for lashes, I used these by Ardell. I do not know off the top of my head what number these are, but yes, they are from Ardell. And of course, I went in with the L'Oreal mascara, the one that's been compared to the Better Than Sex one. To line my waterlines, I used NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk just to make my eyes look bigger. And for my lips, I used NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream in Milan. And yes, guys, this ties the whole look together. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe.